Welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to unpack a genuinely monumental shift happening right now in the world of aesthetics and longevity. Listen, according to Dr. Julie Russak, a board-certified dermatologist and the founder of Russak Dermatology Clinic over in New York City, the absolute biggest leap in regenerative aesthetics over the last 10 years, well, it isn't some brand new laser or a fancy new gadget. It's actually the ability to hack your own biology right at the cellular level. We are rapidly moving away from those reactive, surface-level cosmetic fixes, and we're stepping headfirst into an era where we can actively restore biological performance.
So, when Dr. Russak says the future of regenerative aesthetics is literally you, she really isn't just tossing out some catchy marketing tagline. This is a strict scientific reality. For decades, the fields of regenerative medicine, longevity science, and dermatology lived in totally different worlds. They barely spoke to each other. But now, they've collided, and this sets the stage for a complete paradigm shift. It's no longer about injecting synthetic materials into your body just to mask the signs of aging. Instead, it's all about mobilizing your own biological material to function exactly as it did when you were younger.
Because of this, patient demands have completely evolved. Think about it. 10 years ago, the goal was pretty simple: cosmetic correction. It was all about a quick fix to erase a dark spot or, fill a stubborn wrinkle. Very surface-level stuff. But today, the conversation has entirely flipped to biological performance restoration. Patients are actively asking how they can keep their skin functioning flawlessly for as long as they live. They essentially want their skin span to match their health span. And that means treating the skin exactly like any other vital organ we care about in longevity medicine, making sure its underlying function is fully optimized.
To truly grasp this biological restoration, it helps to think of visible skin aging as just the tip of the iceberg. What we see on the surface is really just a mirror reflecting deep, systemic biological processes happening underneath. We're talking about things like chronic inflammation, declining mitochondrial energy, hormonal shifts, metabolic stress, and the steady buildup of senescent cells, which are basically those aging, dormant zombie cells. So, treating the skin effectively means we literally can't just polish the surface anymore. We need a true focus on these underlying biological functions. If you improve the cellular health, the aesthetic improvements just naturally follow.
Now, regenerative treatments have actually been climbing a sort of evolutionary ladder, where each step adds vital capabilities. Step 1 was PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, which leveraged basic growth factors. Then, Step 2 introduced PDRN, bringing in a whole new dimension of tissue repair that PRP alone just couldn't achieve. Step 3, that brought exosomes into the mix for really complex cellular communication. But the ultimate culmination, Step 4, is the personalized secretome. It's basically the master key. It doesn't just replace those previous steps, it combines and transcends them all into one single, complete molecular product.
Okay, so what exactly is a secretome? Simply put, it's the complete set of molecules secreted by a cell. With the groundbreaking Autologous secretome created by Acorn Biolabs, this comprehensive toolkit is derived directly from your very own follicle stem cells. Think of it kind of like capturing the Wi-Fi signal or the communication network of your youngest, healthiest cells, and then using that to create the exact optimal environment for healing, cellular renewal, and structural support wherever it's applied.
And the makeup of this is fascinating. These 5 distinct components are delivered as a lyophilized or freeze-dried powder, but their real magic is how they work in concert. U isn't just one single active ingredient. It's more like a symphony. You've got growth factors driving tissue repair, exosomes coordinating how the cells talk to each other, carrier proteins enhancing absorption and receptor interaction, cytokines keeping the immune response perfectly balanced, and PDRN stimulating deep tissue regeneration. Each molecule has its own specific job, but the synergy they create together is just incredibly powerful.
But here is the ultimate differentiator, the thing that really changes the game. This is 100% autologous. It is entirely derived from your own biology. It's not synthetic, it's not allogeneic, meaning it's not pulled from some massive shared donor vat from a corporate production run. As Dr. Russak strongly emphasizes, autologous is the only honest starting point for true personalization. It drastically simplifies the entire safety conversation around immune reactions, and it guarantees that the treatment you receive is completely, uniquely yours.
This massive shift toward personalization is powered by incredible diagnostics that finally move us past anecdotal beauty and into hard, evidence-based longevity. For decades, we relied entirely on chronological age, literally just counting calendar years. But now, using advanced tools like epigenetic clocks and proteomic signatures, clinicians can accurately measure your biological age.
We can finally quantify exactly how your skin is aging and repairing itself at a cellular level. It completely separates how many years you've been alive from how functionally young your cells actually act. Armed with all this data, doctors can design highly precise, data-driven interventions. No more relying on subjective before and after photos, right? Before any treatment even begins, a clinician evaluates your unique biological footprint. They're looking at your specific inflammation load, your mitochondrial performance, your senescence burden, again, that load of aging zombie cells, and the integrity of your skin barrier. Once these precise metrics are mapped out, they deploy a bespoke longevity strategy to target your exact cellular deficits.
And this shift toward rigorous data, it's currently playing out in real time. Right now, there is an ongoing, double-blinded, highly controlled clinical trial evaluating this UG injectable technology specifically for androgenic alopecia, which is hair loss. Registered as NCT07107841, the trial is actively underway at Ziering Medical over in California. Dr. Russak points out that top clinics are watching this incredibly closely, mainly because it pulls regenerative aesthetics totally out of the realm of clinic anecdotes and places it firmly into the highest echelon of scientific scrutiny.
This trial is a massive deal. Why? Well, because double-blinded, placebo-controlled studies simply aren't the standard in regenerative aesthetics right now. Usually, things just come to market purely on observation, but here, the parameters are uncompromisingly strict. The absolute only input being tested is the patient's own follicle-derived stem cell secretions, and the metrics being rigorously tracked are super concrete. We're talking hair density, hair thickness, and the patient-reported experience. It brings a whole new level of bulletproof evidence to patients who demand solid science before investing in their cellular health. So how does all this science translate to actual clinical protocols today? Well, for hair restoration, top clinics use a highly specific cadence. It kicks off with 4 sessions, spaced exactly 1 month apart, combining scalp microneedling with intradermal secretome microinjections. That foundation is then followed by maintenance sessions at the 3-month and 6-month marks. And this timeline isn't arbitrary at all. It aligns perfectly with the natural hair growth cycle, specifically supporting the anagen or active growth phase to fight off follicle miniaturization. Now, when it comes to the skin, secretomes are incredibly versatile. You can use direct intradermal injections to precisely target tone, texture, and fine lines, or even use mesotherapy as a simpler entry point. But the real biohack here is co-scheduling them with energy devices like RF microneedling and fractional lasers. By applying the secretome right after a laser treatment, clinics are essentially taking a standard recovery window and turning it into a highly active regeneration window. Dr. Russak actually notes that this biological approach yields surprisingly excellent results even in the notoriously difficult under-eye area. And the best part is that these clinical outcomes are not just isolated anecdotes. They are consistent, documented patterns across the board. Because patients are utilizing their own complete biological toolkit, they are bouncing back from harsh procedures drastically faster. Even more importantly, the results aren't just some temporary cosmetic plump. They are biologically sustained over time, and the proof is really in the practice itself. Clinics are reporting exceptionally high repeat patient retention, simply because patients actually feel and see their underlying biology functioning so much better.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, it's pretty clear the landscape of longevity has fundamentally changed. Think about it. We rely on data for absolutely everything else. We track our steps, we monitor our sleep, we measure our glucose levels. So isn't it time we apply that exact same logic to our cellular age? Banking your own stem cells to eventually deploy your own biology is absolutely the ultimate proactive stance. If you could capture the regenerative power of your youngest cells today to heal yourself tomorrow, wouldn't you? Thanks so much for watching, and definitely keep asking the big questions about your biology.